Today's Friday, so that means the weekend has begun. It's been absolutely crazy. I had like 2 EOCs this week, which were terrible. And it's just been a really, really long week, and I'm really glad that it's over. Also, I had 2 shows this week, so exhausted. I'm currently waiting on Chandler right now to come pick me up. We're gonna go look at Christmas lights and get dinner and hot chocolate, and it's gonna be a good old time. So let's go. I'm wearing this butterfly top, this like really warm jacket, this little beanie. We got these jeans on that I literally always wear, and my Fila's. Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Long time no see. Chandler, show us your model poses. Thank you. We're currently at Longhorns right now, about to eat some steak, and I got some really good mac and cheese.
Appetizers here.
We got an appetizer, some fried shrimp. Welcome to dinner with Yasmin and Chandler.
The main lettuce has E. coli.
Crap, I forgot we're eating lettuce right now.
You heard about it too?
Did I hear about it? That's just a current event. Everyone knows about it. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
This is like the best mac and cheese. Just look at this. All right, so we're gonna go get me some peppermint mocha. Oh my god, it feels so good right now. And I love how cold it is. It just makes me really happy. Should we go to Target?
I love Target. Can we just mess around Target?
Yay! Can we go look at all the Christmas things? Why are you driving like that?
Huh?
You're so close to the wheel. Yay! If you haven't watched my Jacksonville video, then you really should. But anyways, I'm like very scared to be walking in public with my vlog camera right now, because last time I did this, I got roasted by a bunch of 12-year-olds, and it was like the most terrifying thing that's ever happened to me.
Pie cones.
I love this section of Target because they have so much cute stuff for like really cheap. Pumpkins. This is what I need. My outfit is so fall right now. Me.
You look like a whole pumpkin.
I know.
Your head look like a pumpkin with that big old beanie.
Smells really good, actually.
Shit, 12-year-olds, baby, hide.
Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You just look, you're actually trying. You look really dumb.
I am trying.
Hey. No, I don't know what the hell you're doing.
I was doing
Look your goofy looking at. Pull this down you like a whole pumpkin. You're peekaboo. I love you.
Ew.
Oh, that's cute.
Look at all these candy
Yeah,
canes.
let's build this.
Wait, these are buy one get one free. They're only $10. Let's get one. Oh, we can get this one too. Put this hat on. Put it on. Put it on. Aww, it matches your
They call
outfit.
me Chano Claus. Oh, what would you like, kid?
That was really creepy.
Have you been good or have you been naughty?
All right, let's go buy these. Then I want to go get my Starbucks. Original footage.
That's order. No one's ever done this before, ever. What's that? What you get?
I got a grande peppermint mocha.
Probably not. On my item. Oh, penguin head.
Can't really see me right now, but we just got to the neighborhood where these lights are at, and basically what it is there's just one house, and they just like go full out for Christmas lights. You can like tune to a radio station, and they have all their lights like in sync with music and stuff. It's like really cool, and like this is literally a neighborhood, and they have people like guarding traffic and everything. Like it's like, look how many cars are like literally in line just for this one house. It's crazy. Just got on the radio station connected to the house. That's the house right there. It's so cool.
The cutest little donkey, you never see him kick. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
There he is, look at him. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Da, 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 Good morning, everyone. Hello, I just look very splendid right now. It's a nice little rainy Saturday morning. I just woke up, had my first latte for the day. I just finished doing some editing. I'm about to get ready. We're gonna head over to Chandler's house for the day. So I'm getting ready in a different location today because I figured I'd switch it up for you guys. Just the casual, same old, same old. My hair's greasy, so what do? Run away from my issues and dry shampoo, baby. I love dry shampoo. Where's my beauty blender? Going in with my CC cream. You guys know the drill. I don't even know why I'm doing makeup today because I'm pretty sure we're just going to his house and we're not even doing anything. I really have no idea what we're doing today. I'd rather just be ready, just in case. During this time of year, I just love putting on makeup. Like, it's just like a thing for me. Ooh, I forgot my setting powder. I need to go get that real quick. I never use setting powder, but all of a sudden I've gotten really obsessed with it. Let me show you guys my favorite one. Okay, so I've been using this setting powder and I really freaking like it. I don't really know about makeup, but I just know I really like this stuff. And it smells like peaches. Makes my face look like a nice ripe peach. Kind of makes my face look a little bit like a nicer tone. I don't know. It like. Do you guys see what I mean? Don't know what I'm doing. I know I'm doing everything wrong. Chandler's on his way, so I just picked out the outfit that I'm gonna wear today. This red turtleneck sweater with this belt, these Levi jeans, and then this jacket. We're on the way to Chandler's house. Finally took these things off my camera that always make all the dangly noises. Now no more dangly noises in my videos, guys. I think I lost subscribers for those noises. I had these things hanging on my camera for like to hold like the little thing that holds it. They always dangled and made really annoying noises in my videos. To go bag here with me, all the clothes that the outfit that I might wear today. Got my laptop because me and him are gonna film a video whenever we get to his house.
See someone commented.
I don't even know what we can possibly do today because it is extremely rainy.
You heard me?
Oh my god, Chandler, please quit. What? Wait. What just happened?
This one might not work.
Oh my god, crazy. I'm just sitting in Chandler's room. We just got some Starbucks. Hello friends, I'm here back at the cribbo. We're gonna make a gingerbread village. Not a gingerbread house, but a whole freaking village. And I don't really know what I'm doing. Actually never made a gingerbread house ever in my life. So I have no idea what to do, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna read the directions and we're gonna get through it and read these instructions first. I feel like I need a hot chocolate really bad right now. Should I make one? I'm back. The first thing that we need to do is read these instructions. I'm very scared. I have no idea how to make a gingerbread house. I didn't really have a childhood. Gotta read through these. Massage white house. Oh my god, this is so much more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Massage the icing. Put the icing on all these parts so that it sticks together. Then I have to, oh hey Elias. Okay, then I have to put them on the edges and then stick some stuff together and then I get one house. Are you kidding me? I am the least craftiest female that I've ever met in my entire life. I'm not crafty at all. I just don't like that type of stuff. It's just not for me and I'm just not good at it. I don't have patience for it. I just can't. I always fail. I give up halfway. It comes with some pre-made icing, great for kit building and cookie boarding. Gumdrops, I think that's what they're called. We got some little leaves things, I don't really know what that is. And we got some sprinkles. We also got some red icing. Lastly, we have the nice little gingerbreads. And we also have some paper sticker things. And that is all the ingredients that we have today.
I don't know where to start.
You will know. All right, I got a nice white plate. Oh my god, I don't know where to start. I just don't know what to begin with. Oh my god. Panels. By gently breaking along snap lines. You should eat something. What snap line? Okay. I'm guessing that this is the base of the house. Why did I sign up for this shit? Is this one little house? It smells really good. So we have this. I don't really know if this is one house by itself, is it? So it says break apart. I'm gonna set it up just like the picture. Is that what you're, oh, this is a candy shop. This is what I'm making right now. Guys, so we have a special guest who decided to join us for this gingerbread house making. So, what your job is gonna be is you're gonna massage the icing. We can't build it until the icing is on it. You're massaging that. No. You decided to join my cooking party. Okay, you check out the blueprints while I massage the icing.
I don't think you have that right at all.
Yes, I do. We're building the candy shop first, which is that one. The two things. This is the side paneling.
It's that fucking small.
I told you.
Oh, this is easy.
Massaging the icing. It needs to be massaged till it's liquefied.
Put this in the microwave.
It says right here, do not microwave. Give me.
No, I'm doing it.
You can't take over the show.
We should have a competition.
They're gonna be the same thing.
No, they won't.
Just it will.
One of us is gonna do better than the other.
There you go.
I'm always down for a good competition, especially ones that I can easily win. How the does this shit open? That one. This one. The candy shop. Chandler's making the challenge. Break it one at a time.
I feel like I'm gonna break the top part.
You won't. Okay, let me just do
Are you
it.
sure? That shit's... I can do it. I can handle it. It's supposed to be my house. Yeah, see, dumbass, you ruined it. Especially you break something you can't help it.
And the party begins. I'm so scared. Yes, I know how it goes.
Put on the front. You don't need that.
No, this is the part that you need to look at, fool.
What the hell's the roof?
No, those are the roofs.
I got it.
Go, honey. You got this. Alright, we're done with this part.
Let me set it. You just gotta hold it down for a little bit, you know that, right?
I know.
Don't fall apart.
No, it's not.
See how flimsy it is? Supposed to hold it for 2 minutes.
Does that?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah,
Oh, you're worried that I'm gonna beat you, boy? I'm gonna have my mom judge.
Ugh.
Shit. Set these too far apart from each other. Yeah, but progress so far. We're getting there, ladies and oh gosh. We are getting there. Yeah, this is about to look badass. All I have to say is, at least you tried. How are your lines so straight? In focus mode. I am doing nice and perfect right now. So far, this is my reef. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Chandler is getting his ass whooped. We're gonna make the door now. Who would have ever thought I could do this? I'm not even hogging it.
I'm winning this competition.
You're taking things too far. You're not winning. I thought you already gave up. I really honestly had no faith in myself. But here we are just doing amazing. Look at this.
I messed up.
No, you cannot see. You're trying to cheat, trying to copy me. Have a little faith, you can do anything. Oh my god. Doing the freaking decor and the whole roof just fell off. I'm not giving up though. Not today, Satan. Look at her, she's looking nice and scrumptious. I kind of want to just...
That never get a chance.
Well, you know what? There's more than just you here.
Are you freaking kidding?
Oh my god, it's all falling apart. Absolutely.
Yeah, that's why you hold it down for 2 minutes.
Oh my god. This is absolutely terrible. Are you kidding me?
I lost the gummy. Fell through. Gummy has fell through.
This is what I get for having zero patience. I'm so pissed right now.
I already knew this
is how it's gonna go. See, you're rushing things. Person always takes the time, makes it come out perfect.
Yeah, I have no patience for this crap, so this is how mine end up. And the finishing touches. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I just made my coffee, blow dried my hair, so I'm extremely sweaty right now. And I'm wearing a robe, so this is very weird, but okay. Today we're going to his niece's birthday party. So like this like fun zone thing. So I'm about to get ready and we'll chat after. I just did my makeup and my hair. My outfit, I'm just wearing this thermal, some black ripped jeans and these shoes, and then I'm gonna wear my Levi jacket on top, but it's in his car. I'm not gonna take my camera with me to the place because I feel like that's just weird. Ready. So I'm just gonna vlog on my phone. We out.
That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell.